Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
I will show an easy method to earn from generative AI fast. First, pick a clear niche like copywriting, image generation, or LLM fine-tuning. Build a reusable prompt library with 50 prompts focused on specific client outcomes. Offer 3 service tiers at 5, 0, and 50 per deliverable for scalability. Use marketplaces and cold outreach to land initial gigs within 2 weeks. Track income for taxes and expect a Form 1099 if earnings exceed 0. Reinvest 25% of profits into tools and ads to grow revenue consistently. Create a portfolio showcasing 3 strong samples for your chosen generative AI niche. Use case studies that show before and after outputs to prove value. Set clear delivery times, like 48 or 72 hours, and revision limits. Offer licensing options with 25% recurring royalties for derivative commercial use. Deliver files in standard formats such as PNG, PSD, and editable text. Use a simple contract that clarifies ownership, payments, and turnaround times. Ask clients for testimonials and referrals to scale without heavy ad spend. Once you secure repeat clients, you can aim for predictable monthly revenue. Start with a goal of 0 per month from 5 steady clients. Automate workflow using Zapier and GitHub Actions to reduce manual steps. Use tools like Midjourney, GPT-4o, and local fine-tuning for quality control. Charge subscription plans or retainers at 50 to 00 monthly for priority access. Monitor metrics and increase prices by 10 to 20% every quarter after improvements. Reinvest profits into learning and tooling to scale to 6 figures over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.